Hello kids, today we learn 20 basic parts of the body name in English and Urdu. Before going to classroom, please subscribe our YouTube channel Juju TV English Urdu. Welcome to classroom. Now it's learn time. Head, sir. This is my head. ये मेरा सर है. Next part is hair, बाल. This is my hairs. ये मेरे बाल हैं. Next part is eyes, आँखें. These are my eyes. ये मेरी आँखें हैं. Next part is eyebrows, आबरू. These are my eyebrows. ये मेरी आबरू हैं. Next part is ear, कान. This is my ear. ये मेरा कान है. Next part is nose, नाक. This is my nose. ये मेरी नाक है. Next part is lips, होंठ. These are my lips. ये मेरे होंठ हैं. Next part is tongue, जुबान. This is my tongue. ये मेरी जुबान है. Next part is mouth, मुंह. This is my mouth. ये मेरा मुंह है. Next part is teeth, दांत. These are my teeth. ये मेरे दांत हैं. Next part is neck, गर्दन. This is my neck. ये मेरी गर्दन है. Next part is shoulder, कंधा. This is my shoulder. ये मेरा कंधा है. Next part is arm, बाजू. This is my arm. ये मेरा बाजू है. Next part is elbow, कोहनी. This is my elbow. ये मेरी कोहनी है. Next part is hand, हाथ. This is my hand. ये मेरा हाथ है. Next part is fingers, उंगलियां. These are my fingers. ये मेरी उंगलियां हैं. Next part is chest, सीना. This is my chest. ये मेरा सीना है. Next part is knee, घुटना. This is my knee. ये मेरा घुटना है. Next part is legs, टांगे. These are my legs. ये मेरी टांगे हैं. Final part is foot, पाँव. These are my feet. ये मेरे पाँव हैं. Hope you have learned a lot from our video. Like the video and share it with your friends. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel Juju TV English Urdu. Take care.